Red was her crown and she wore it like a queen. Welcome once again to the gala celebration of Indian beauty. FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017, co-powered by Rajni Gandha Pearls. The training steps are up. Now begins the test. So let's see who's got the perfect walk, the perfect body, or the one who could charm us with her smile. As we head to the sub-contest.
The sub-contests are taking place today. It's the first day of sub-contest. I want to concentrate on myself and better my game. So that's my strategy.
It's the last leg of the competition and this is where it gets serious.
This is a very big day for all of us as all of our sub-contests are starting, and one of the important ones is Olivia Bleach-Smith's Glowing Skin Contest. You must all be wondering why we're without our makeup, and this is the reason why.
I'm really looking for that glow, and then the clarity of the skin, the texture and the smoothness is going to be very critical.
So firstly, I was very excited for this particular sub-contest as I'm from Uttarakhand and genetically we are blessed with good skin.
Today we are going to judge the girls based on how naturally good their skin is. We'll be judging them without any makeup or absolutely in their natural state.
If you eat right and if your lifestyle is the way it should be, then you're obviously going to have the best skin.
In today's climatic conditions and the stresses involved, and particularly at this age, these girls have really maintained their skin. It's surprising how they can do it. It's very difficult, and good luck to them. They've really done a good job.
Our next sub-contest is Triumph Miss Body Beautiful.
Of course, a beauty queen should have a nice body, right? So let's see who has the best body out there on the stage.
We are having 30 girls from north, south, east and west, so it's going to be very exciting and extremely tough.
We need to see overall proportions. We need to see the torso size compared to the legs. We need to see overall aesthetics, muscular development, and also who's got the best and most toned abs. So everything comes into account.
It's all about the hard work that you put in before the pageant, so which will actually show on the ramp when we walk in front of the judges.
When I was walking the ramp for Triumph Miss Body Beautiful, I think it's but natural to feel a little conscious of your body, especially in an environment where there are 30 girls with stellar, fabulous bodies.
We are looking forward to crowning the best on the sub-contest crowning day, and I'm sure the best one will win.
So our next sub-contest is Bata Miss Ramper.
We are looking forward to judge them on their confidence and their presence on the ramp.
I was a little nervous, but once I stepped on the ramp, I was pretty sure that it's my stage. I have to own it. I just have to be the best on stage, and I think that is what I did.
I think this is the most exciting sub-contest for me because my personality comes out from my walk, and I'm very confident about it.
I just wanted to have fun, which is why I think I was not very nervous. I was not scared at all because I was just like, I'm going to own the ramp. I just want to have fun. That was all I was thinking about.
They are absolutely comfortable in their shoes if I were to use a line out of my space. It's very difficult for me as a judge to be able to shortlist one person who I would say that should be crowned Bata Miss Ramp Walk.
Very important, one of the most important factors of being a beauty queen, because the way you smile defines how you're feeling from inside. And once you smile off and you walk the ramp, there is nothing more beautiful than that.
When I go in front of the judges on the ramp, I think all I'll do is just smile, be happy, and I think it'll show.
We have our Kodak lens Miss Spectacular Eyes right now.
We are going to judge on the basis of how well they carry themselves in the spectacles. हम लोग देखेंगे कि उनकी आँखों का कलर कैसा है, शेप कैसा है, साइज कैसा है, and how well they express themselves with the eyes.
I believe everyone has beautiful eyes in their own ways, and everyone has got the talent to show their eyes in beautiful ways or sexy ways.
I mean, coming from different zones, they have different features. So I think it is very difficult to judge or point any of them on the basis of beautiful eyes. Everybody's gorgeous.
You know, when I saw all the 30 contestants, they were oozing with self-confidence. मुझे यही कहना है कि सब लड़कियां अपने आप में विनर है.
सभी की आंखें इतनी अच्छी है, तो अब जजेस को भी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी बेस्ट को सेलेक्ट करने में.
Now we have Miss Congeniality coming up.
There's a difference between congeniality and vivacious. Who anyone wants to point out what it is?
For me, congeniality means somebody who is very warm, somebody who doesn't need to say something in order to show what they're really made of. It is their personality and their aura that shines through even before they speak to you.
Someone I can have a conversation with, someone who's very sweet, very kind, a girl next door. Of course, we will have to vote for who we think is Miss Congeniality. It's going to be very difficult because last 20 days we've bonded with everybody.
How they've adapted to the camera, how they've adapted to clothes.
Two girls in particular, like Sherilyn from Tamil Nadu and the girl Sana from Jammu Kashmir, their transformations were the most noticeable and most beautiful also at the same time. So I think these two girls kind of stood out the most among the rest.
Kara Miss Vivacious is this my favorite sub-contest because I won it at the zonals. This is about someone who is really spontaneous, who has a great sense of humor, who's funny, who makes people smile and laugh.
Happiness starts with H, but mine starts with you.
Girls were again very playful. They knew what they were doing on the ramp. They were very vibrant in nature. They were just being very natural, and we all had a gala time.
Since you mentioned you're a tomboy, has a girl ever hit on you?
No, I haven't.
Huh?
We all enjoyed it, the contestants and as well as the judges, and we were laughing all the time, and it was overall a very fun session because we were who we are and we were like our real selves.
After the break, let's see who can turn this hard work into glory. Keep watching FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017, co-powered by Rajnikantha Pearls. Welcome back. The judges have taken their seats. The girls have their confidence in place. Let's begin the sub-contest round of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017, co-powered by Rajnikantha Pearls.
Well, we're ready for our next sub-contest, which is FBB Beauty with a Purpose.
I think that Miss India is not just about beauty. It's not just about a pretty face or a amazing physique or all the physical attributes that we have. But Miss India should also possess a purpose.
And if we can probably take a small amount of time from a busy life, from a busy schedule to someone in need and can help them to do something better, to live a better life, would be definitely a great success and a great purpose in life.
I am a strong believer of the fact that we should give our hands to serve and our hearts to love. I feel we should all have a cause.
I think it's really, really important to take a stand and start from somewhere, even if it's starting from a scratch. What is important is a start.
I love children, and my love for children is something that pushed me forward. So I started working with an NGO called Gramiksha, and we used to teach in government schools 4 days a week.
I was very closely associated with a lot of NGOs, but the one which I am taking forward by myself is my own school, that is called Udaan.
I initiated a project called Project Shakti, which spreads awareness on menstrual hygiene, educates women through a collaborative approach.
They say that the Third World War would be fought on water, and this is what my project was based on, water conservation, and the title for it is We Pledge to Save Water.
काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला मुझे भी अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन को लेकर, एजुकेशन को लेकर के. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड कॉन्टेस्ट. आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी.
It was a pleasure being here, seeing all the women talking about what actually a beauty is all about.
We've reached out to different states and girls are coming from all parts of the country. The reach has increased and the work that they're doing is reached remote areas. So I feel really glad to see it happening.
त्रिपुरा स्टेट जो है जहाँ से रिंकी बिलोंग करती है, उन्होंने क्लियरली बताया कि विलेज में पानी की कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. खाना तो दूर, लोगों को पानी तक नहीं पहुँच पा रहा है. एंड हाउ शी अलोन लाइक अ हीरो वेंट अहेड. शी मेड श्योर दैट कि वो गांव के लोगों को पानी पहुँचे. सो दैट्स अ वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव.
At first, I wanted to do in my village, but our village things has been changed, but not there. So I just targeted it. I adopted it.
Good, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep this effort going. I think you started from the road and you reached the tank.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to get ready for our for one of the most important sub-contests that we have, which is the National Costume Sub-Contest.
Round like national costume, it's very helpful. It brings out the emotions, the feelings, and that's a great opportunity for all of us. I can see a lot of girls running around, getting everything perfect because whatever the outfits they're wearing, they want every detail to be perfect.
I wake up, feel the beat, you shake up and feel the beat. The morning calls, the music stalls and
You have to put together an outfit which you think will depict your nation or your state the best.
My costume is a mix of colors, all the vibrant colors, blues, greens and yellows. That's what Rajasthan is all about. The pride of our state is that turban of chundari that will be like a cherry to the cake.
My national costume was a typical Kannadiga bride. I've enhanced more with the jewellery, that's the dream of the bride. I put a long plait which gives a lot of detailing.
It consists of different fabrics like zari, zardozi, bark print, kanjivaram, Gujarati print, Goan print, and all these have come together to make this huge extravagant garment.
We wanted to represent the major fabric of Arunachal. My costume is all made of a pattern of all the major tribes of Arunachal.
We've combined a beautiful costume which includes a lehenga, a cape and a headgear.
My national costume consists of the south, north, east and west. The south is Kuchipudi, the north is the Kashmiri embroidery, the bangles are from Rajasthan, the chunri is from Punjab.
So hi girls. Hi. So as we all know that technology has become the most important part of our lives. Do you guys agree? Yes. But there's a myth that I've heard that girls are not that tech savvy. Is that true? So just to prove this misconception wrong, we are here for a very interesting sub-contest, which is the Reliance Digital Miss Tech Diva sub-contest. So it goes like this, that all you girls will be given a questionnaire with 20 questions based on technology. And the top 5 girls with the maximum number of answers in the quickest time will move on to the next round. So all the best to all the girls.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward because I like testing myself. So I thought, yes, let's just see how good I am.
It's a web browser.
No.
Facebook acquired Instagram.
So I don't Google.
I don't know. I am going to guess 10,000. There were the type of questions where you either know the answer or you don't. So I knew some of them, didn't know others, made some educated guesses.
So girls, I must say your performances were really impressive. And you have proved the point that you all are quite tech savvy. The girl with the maximum number of score is Amardeep. Congratulations. This is Shefali.
It feels great to be in the top 5 of the sub-contest. I've not really considered myself to be very tech savvy, but I think after this, I'm a little more confident.
Aishwarya. Sherlyn.
But I was just hoping that I win, and I got in the top 5, and that was pretty good.
You move on to the next round, which is the treasure hunt. Each play card has 3 clues, which you will have to go and explore in the store and write your answer ahead of the clue. Your time starts now.
I'm not able to find this one.
Sleep timekeeper that not just keeps time but also tracks your daily activity level.
I'm so confused right now.
Where are you? I7. Apple, where is Apple?
I got the first answer.
I'm smart. Done.
Quick.
I'm done. Altamash.
I've never thought of myself as somebody who is technologically very smart, but looks like Miss India is pushing my caliber.
So girls, I must say that was very impressive. Since we had the top 5, now we won't announce the winners today. So now we're gonna announce the top 2. So the first one is Simran. Shefali.
When 30 stage showcase their best foot forward, the judging ought to be difficult. We have seen their exquisiteness, but do they have the depth to come out shining in this competition? Don't miss the next episode of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017, co-powered by Rajnigandha Pearls, only on Zoom.